tested this on 5 different Android phones, and these 5 settings are the real reason your battery drains overnight. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. If your Android phone battery drops overnight even when you are not using it, this video is for you. Today I will show you 5 hidden settings you must turn off right now to stop battery drain overnight. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Turn off background apps. Go to setting, battery usage. Check which apps are using the most power. Tap on the app. Choose restrict or don't run in background. This stops apps like Facebook, ChatGPT, Instagram running all nights. Step 2. Turn off Wi-Fi mobile data and Bluetooth at night. When you sleep, these keep searching for connection and drain your battery. Just swipe down, turn them off before sleeping. It can save up 10-50% battery overnight. Step 3. Disable location at auto sync. Go to setting, location off, then go to setting, account, auto sync, data off. These two run in the background all the time and eat your battery. Step 4. Enable battery server mode. Go to setting, battery server turn on. You can even schedule it automatically for night time. This reduces system activity and save more power. Step 5. Update your software. Go to settings, about phone, system update. Sometimes old software has bug that cause fast battery drain. Always keep your phone update for best performance. Bonus tip. If your phone battery is older than 2 years, its health might be low. Try checking battery health in settings or use an app like AccuBattery to test it. So that's it. If you're applying these 5 settings, your phone will keep almost the same charger overnight. If the video helps you, give it a like, share it, subscribe to JK Future Tech for more Android tips